everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to do my September paycheck number 2 budget, and this is going to be for September the 16th through the 29th. So as usual, I am using this Clever Fox and it is the dotted journal. So this is larger than the dotted notebook that they have, and I really like this. I like the dot grid for doing my budget. So if you're interested, they gave me a discount code a while back. It's still good. I don't make any commission, but I love their products and I love to use them. So if you want to pick something up, get it off their website and save a little bit of money. Okay, let's start with my income. So I am paid every other Friday, and my income is the same every single time, and I'm going to budget $1,500. Now I did get a raise in July, but that raise went straight into my employer's 401k, and so until further notice, I will continue to budget $1,500 and put everything else towards retirement, any bonuses or raises, that kind of good stuff. So that's why my income has stayed fixed for such a long time. Let's see, next are my fixed expenses. The first is my rent, and I want to get back to setting aside half of my rent every single paycheck. My rent payment includes the internet, it includes the water, and it includes the trash. And the total every month is $640. So for this paycheck, I'm going to set aside $320. Next is the electricity, and I'm going to set aside half of the electricity. It has gone down because it is not as hot outside. It was, I think, maybe 168. So I'm going to go ahead and budget 170 for this month, which then, well, I guess it would technically be next month because it'll be due on October the 9th. And so half of 170 is 85. So that's how much I'm going to set aside this check. And that should be enough. Next is the Apple bill, and this Apple bill is the one that is due at the end of the month, and that one is $23. So 23 for Apple. Okay, let's go ahead and add up my fixed expenses. So 320 plus 85 plus 23 is 428. And I did a video back, I don't know, it's been about a week and a half ago, which was basically how to do a budget. And after that, I thought, you know what, I really want to keep everything in this one dotted journal. And so I created this calendar. So what I am budgeting is from the 16th to the 29th. And I went through and put all my bills on this little calendar that I made in my little journal here. And so the only thing that is due is the Apple bill, because I get paid again on the 30th. And so I've got Apple bill, and then I wanted to set aside half of the rent and half of the electricity, but the electricity went down, and so that's why I'm gonna do, what was it, 170 instead of 250, because the electricity bill is just not going to be that much. So that's how I determined what fixed expenses I had this time. Next, I have my cash expenses, and the first expense is my groceries. and I budget $100 per week, so that will be $200 this check. Then I have spending, and I'm going to budget $20 per week, so that's going to be $40 for this check. My daughter Carol Ann is going to get $80 per week, so that's going to be a total of $160. And then gas for my car, let me see what I wrote down in when I went and got cash at the bank, because today's actually Monday and I just went to the bank today. I think I might have done 30. Oh, there it is. Sorry about that. For gas, I'm gonna do 20 for gas, so that's gonna be 10 per week. And then last is the lawn, and I have a guy that comes every other week and I pay him $75. So let's go ahead and add this up. So 200 plus 40 plus 160 plus 20 plus 75 is a total of $495. Next are my sinking funds, and the first is Christmas, and Christmas is going to get $25 per week, so that's going to be $50 this check. Fur babies, also $25 a week. Same for car insurance and same for car maintenance. Just so much easier to do the same on all four. So that is a total of $200. And then for savings, my Roth IRA, I put $230 every single paycheck. It's an automatic transfer. I don't touch that money. It goes straight from my employer into my Charles Schwab account. So now let's take my income and subtract my fixed expenses, subtract cash expenses, sinking funds, and my IRA contribution, and let's see how much is left to put towards house savings. So $1,500 minus $428 minus $495 minus $200 minus $230 is $147. So I did I was doing the 100 envelope challenge, but the house savings, I'm just going to let that sit in the bank because it's better than keeping a lot of cash in the house. So that is my September paycheck number 2 budget. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to leave those down in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. It is a 3 paycheck month for me. I do get paid again on the 30th, but that check will cover the first 2 weeks in October. So I am excited to have that next paycheck. I can't wait to share that with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.